Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HSH folding dining table. This is a foldable table for the kitchen with storage space. It's a foldable device with 2 shelves and wheels. This is a mobile table. It's made out of wood and metal. Space saving for a kitchen, for the living room, for apartment, in an oak look. 130 centimeter. It's also on the market in rustic brown available. The natural oak grain gives any room a warm elegance. The 2 storage compartments have 2 side barriers that safely prevent us and our items from slipping and dropping, so everything stays organized. When folded, the storage space is discreetly hidden. Perfect as a kitchen table, which is foldable with a practical storage space. And space saving and versatile in once, because this folding table is the ideal small dining table, or a small dining table for small spaces. Fully folded is 30 to 80 to 75 centimeter. It serves as a space saving side table or a sideboard. Unfolded on one side means 80 to 75 centimeter. It is perfect desk for working and studying and gaming. Unfolded on both sides, it becomes a large dining table for family dinners. And we have here easy folding and a good mobility in once. The folding table is easy to set up. Lift the top, turn the middle leg 90 degrees. With 4 lockable wheels, the kitchen table or the small kitchen table can easily be moved. It's also an ideal as a folding table for every room you like. And it comes with a stable construction because the rubber folding table has a sturdy metal frame and a durable wooden table top with a dimension of 130 to 80 to 75 centimeter. The 1.2 centimeter thick plate is in an oak finish look. This offers stability and style, perfect as a durable dining table. A kitchen table or a dining table in oak design. We simply assemble it, and this will cost us, it is a little bit tricky, For this you can watch my video as well, my installation video, my assembly video, but it is, of course, you can handle this. And then we have a stable small device which comes good to us, and it brings us joy. It brings us a good and timelessly elegant design and the folding table particle storage in a dining area in once. Unfolded large dining table for family and guests, or we have mobile and safe device, 6 wheels with 4 locks if we need it. Or we can have a one-hand lift up. It supports the tabletop, jobs done easy peasy. And of course we can use it as a desktop. You can use it as a small table, a fold table, a big table, or you can have a storage area as well. This is a nice home office. This is a nice table for the kitchen. This is a nice table for everyone, for everywhere. It makes a good and nice job as well. This and more brings us this device here. This is the H, the S, the H folding dining table with storage. This is a space saver with 2 shelves and wheels. This is mobile, this is smart, and this is easy to assemble and easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!